Hello guys and welcome to the video. Today, we're going to download one of the most popular code editors, which is Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. First, you need to open your internet browser, in my case, that's Google. Once your internet browser is open, in the search bar, type Visual Studio Code and hit enter. Click on the first link. If you can't find this link, you can find it in the description of this video. Now, you need to click on the blue button labeled Download. It's important to note that you need to choose the appropriate installation for your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I will select the Windows option. After that, your installation should begin downloading. Once the installation download is complete, we need to run it. You can find the installation in your Downloads folder. Once you've located the installation file, double-click on it. After that, your installation should start and should look similar to this. To ensure a successful installation, please follow my instructions step by step. First, you need to checkmark this checkbox labeled I accept the agreement, and then press Next. Here you can choose the location where you want to install your Visual Studio Code. I will leave it as the default and press Next. Just press Next here. Here you have some optional choices, such as creating a desktop icon or other options. It's important here to ensure that the Add to Path option is checked. After that, press Next. Just press Install here. After that, your installation should run successfully. Press Finish to launch your Visual Studio Code editor. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded your Visual Studio Code editor. In the comments, let me know what type of programming you'd like me to cover next, whether it's web development, app development, or something else. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.